Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ifactner's English Urdu translation and typing lesson. Let's start our tutorial. In this tutorial, we are learning to translate English sentences into Urdu to order food at the restaurant. This is part number 3. Now, the waiter asks, "What would you like as a starter?" In Urdu, it can be translated as आप स्टार्टर में क्या लेना चाहेंगे? आप स्टार्टर में क्या लेना चाहेंगे? Now let's do word by word translation. What is क्या? Would you like? आप चाहेंगे? As के तौर पर या और in Urdu we say in में. A is एक and starter is starter. Now to form a Urdu sentence, we will start with the subject, then comes the object, then the question word, and then the verb. Now I switch to Urdu keyboard and type kya. So kya can be typed as kaf, ye, alif. आप चाहेंगे. आप is alif mada pe sakin. चाहें चे alif cha, he, ye and noon na. चाहेंगे. गे is काफ बड़ी ये. के तौर पर के काफ बड़ी ये. के तौर is with तोए. तोए वाव रे तौर. पर is पेरे पर. एक a is एक, but usually we don't say it in Urdu. एक starter के तौर पर एक क्या लेना चाहेंगे. And starter can be written as sin te alif starter. Tere ter starter. So if we see, then if we translate the English sentence literally, then it is क्या आप चाहेंगे के तौर पर एक starter. But in Urdu usually we start with the subject आप, object, starter, में क्या question word, लेना चाहेंगे verb form. आप starter में क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like as a starter? Now, the next sentence is, the customer says, I would like to have a cup of soup. मैं सूप का प्याला लेना चाहूँगा. मैं सूप का प्याला लेना चाहूँगा. And if I'm a female, then I will say मैं सूप का प्याला लेना चाहूँगी. So I is मैं, would like चाहूँगा और गी for female. To have लेना. A एक. Cup is प्याला. Of is का and soup is soup or yakhni. So now let's see how do we type these words in Urdu. मैं can be written as meme, ye and नूना. मैं चाहूँगा चे अलिफ चा, हे वाव नूना चाहूँ and गाफ अलिफ का. चाहूँगा लेना लाम ये नून अलिफ. एक alif ye काफ एक. प्याला is पे ये पे alif लाम है ला प्याला. Ka is kaf alif ka and soup is sin wow pe. So if we translate this English sentence literally, then it becomes मैं चाहूँगा लेना एक प्याला का soup. But in Urdu we start with the subject which is मैं, then comes the object soup का प्याला, and then the rest of the sentence with the verb लेना चाहूँगा. मैं सूप का प्याला लेना चाहूँगा. So in Urdu we don't say मैं सूप का एक प्याला लेना चाहूँगा, but we simply say मैं सूप का प्याला लेना चाहूँगा for male and मैं सूप का प्याला लेना चाहूँगी for female. I would like to have a cup of soup. Now the waiter asks, and in the desserts? In Urdu, और मीठे में और मीठे में. So now let's see how do we translate and in the desserts in Roman Urdu. And is or. In is में. Desserts is meetha, sweets. Now let's see how do we type these words in Urdu. So I switch to Urdu keyboard in Windows and open up my virtual keyboard. Now or is alif waw re. Me is mim ye and nunna. Me. Meetha is mim ye te he. So we use do chashmi he for the aspirated sound. Meet. Me tha. Te alif tha. Meetha. So if we translate it literally, then it becomes or me meetha. But usually in Urdu we ask or meethe mein. And in the desserts or meethe mein. Now the customer says, I want a ball of ice cream. मुझे आइसक्रीम का प्याला चाहिए या मैं आइसक्रीम का प्याला चाहूँगा. मुझे आइसक्रीम का प्याला चाहिए. Now let's translate I want a ball of ice cream in Roman Urdu. So I is मैं, want is चाहता हूँ, चाहूँगा, चाहिए. So want is चाहना, to want. A is एक, ball is प्याला of का, and ice cream is ice cream. So if we see, then it becomes मैं चाहना एक प्याला का ice cream. But usually we say मुझे आइसक्रीम का प्याला चाहिए. So let's translate these words in Urdu Nastaliq font. So मैं is mim ye and nunna. Chahana is che alif he noon alif chahana. Ek is alif ye kaf. Pyala is pe ye alif lam he pyala. Ka is kaf alif ka, kaf alif. And ice cream is alif mad a because we need to prolong the sound ice. Alif mad a, hamza, ye, seen. Ice cream is kaf, re, ye and meme. Ice cream. मैं चाहता हूँ मैं चाहना एक प्याला का आइसक्रीम. But when we translate I want a ball of ice cream, then we say मुझे आइसक्रीम का प्याला चाहिए. I need a ball of ice cream. Ice cream. Now the waiter asks, anything else, sir? It can be translated in Urdu as कुछ और, sir. कुछ और, sir. Anything is kuch. Let me change my keyboard to English. Anything is kuch. Else can be or, and sir is sir. Anything else, sir? Kuch or, sir. Now let's see how do we type kuch or and sir, and let's spell it. Kuch is kaf, che, do chashmi hai, kuch. Or is alif waw re, or. Sir is seen, re, sir. Kuch और sir. Anything else, sir? Kuch और sir. Now the customer says, no, that would be all. Thanks. In Urdu, we will say, नहीं ये सब होगा. नहीं बस यही शुक्रिया, और नहीं ये सब होगा शुक्रिया. Because we are trying to translate this sentence, usually we say no, thank you, nahi, shukriya. But if we want to translate no, that would be all, thanks, then it can be translated as nahi, ye sab hoga, shukriya. So now let's translate each English word in Urdu. So no is nahi, that means wo. But here we will use ye in Urdu. Would be hoga, all, sab, and thanks is shukriya. Now let's see how do we spell nahi, wo, hoga, sab, shukriya in Urdu, and how do we type it. So I switch to my Urdu keyboard and then open the virtual keyboard and type nahi, noon, he, ye, and noona is nahi. Wo is wow hoye, wo. But usually we say ye, this. Hoga is he wow ho, and gaf alif ga, hoga. Sab is seen, be, sab. Shukriya is sheen, kaf, re, ye, he. Shukriya. So it becomes nahi wo hoga sab shukriya. But when we translate no, that would be all, thanks in Urdu, then we say nahi, ye sab hoga shukriya. Now the waiter says, your order will be ready in 20 minutes. In Urdu, we can translate it as आपका ऑर्डर 20 मिनट में तैयार हो जाएगा. आपका ऑर्डर 20 मिनट में तैयार हो जाएगा. Now let's see how can we translate these English words of this sentence in Urdu. Your is आपका, order is order, will be is hoga, ready is tiyar, tiyar, in May, 20 is 20 and minutes are minute, 20 minute. Now let's see how do we spell आपका ऑर्डर होगा तैयार में 20 मिनट in Urdu language. So is आपका are two words, alif mada and pesakin. Aap and kaf alif ka. Aapka. Then we have order. Order is alif mad a, re, dal, re. Order. Hoga is he vav ho, gaf alif ka. Hoga. तैयार is te ye alif re. Me is meme ye nuna. So let me revise that there is a difference between मैं, which is I, and me, which is in. Bees can be written as be, ye, sin, bees, and minute are meme, noon, te, 20 minute. आपका ऑर्डर होगा तैयार में 20 मिनट. But in Urdu, we will start with the subject. आप, then comes the object का order. आप का order. Then comes the time information 20 मिनट. And then comes the verb. मैं तैयार हो जाएगा. आपका ऑर्डर 20 मिनट में तैयार हो जाएगा. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was our tutorial on how to order food at the restaurant in English and Urdu. If you have liked this tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. For questions and comments, you can use the comment section below. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.